So welcome to the Broadcom part of the EBV booth here at the Embedded. My name's Lisa Dietrich. I'm a channel field application engineer for Broadcom. And I'd like to just tell you a few minutes about what we are showing here at the show. So we are here, one of the first stations, we're talking about our PCI Express connectivity. Here we have actually the newest products for Gen 4 devices, where we have switches which will go from 26 lanes, 26 ports, all the way up to 98 lanes, 98 ports in the newest Generation 4 speeds. Then we have additional, next stand over, we're talking about our innovative sensors, where we have our TOF time of flight sensors, which have a very long reach, and also our spectrometers, very compact size, very highly integrated solution. As we move along our booth, we are showing our solutions for PHYs and interconnect products. On our PHYs, we have our newest broader reach solutions, where you can see both devices for automotive and industrial applications. Broader reach is something that Broadcom's very proud about, our twisted pair solutions for Ethernet connectivity. If we go then further along our booth, you will then see our embedded processors and Avenger switching. There again, we are showing our Ethernet connectivity with 10 gig uplinks, and on the downlink side with gigabit Ethernet or 2.5 gigabit Ethernet. Our North Star processors can be used to actually drive those switches, and we have our evaluation board there as well. Okay, so thank you for your attention today.